Homestead Albania, eggplant preservation. Cut each eggplant in thick, long slices. Submerge and rinse the slices twice. Lay slices in a single layer and sprinkle with coarse salt. Place weight onto the slices. This process will reduce any bitterness. Wait approximately 1 hour. Preheat the oven to 270 degrees Celsius. Rinse the eggplant slices. Grab a large pan and drop a few tablespoons of your preferred oil. We used vegetable oil. Place a single layer in the pan. Drizzle the slices with a bit more oil. Bake for 20 minutes and then we'll flip the slices. Come with me as we pick our garnish from the garden. Parsley and garlic are the key ingredients. We washed and chopped approximately 2 cups of each. After 20 minutes, we remove the pan from the oven and flip the slices. Place it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Remove the slices from the oven and place the roasted slices aside to cool as you repeat the process for the next round. Grab a clean container and drizzle the bottom with olive oil. Place the cooled slices in a single layer. Garnish with the parsley and garlic. Sprinkle with salt. Repeat this process until the container is full. Place the container in the fridge and enjoy for the next week. It's a great appetizer or snack, plus the oil is great with a bit of bread. Thanks for watching Homestead Albania. Visit homesteadalbania.com for more homestead-related content.